yeah, I'm gonna hold my hand down. I ain't gonna wave at you. 301 on the mile. 3-4. Some kind of modulation. That thing's screaming. Doorknob said that.
1331 Roadrunner, Tennessee, there, break.
Ain't no doubt about it, 1331. I just want to let you know, man, that thing sounds real good, loud and brown. It's got screaming modulation. It's got screaming modulation. Hey, you have a good one out there, my friend. 73s? You have a good holiday coming. It's definitely working. Doorknob down here in Music City, out here in these woods, I'm going. Ghost Rider with the wave. Alright, 321. Bye, 321. Don't forget that. 301. Damn, what an audio, man. Caught all that. Definitely caught all that out there. Hey, 280, Smoky Pete. Hey, Smoky Pete, I heard you, man. When that 1380 got all that key, man. 1380 got my ears right now. Ain't no doubt about it. He got that AT&T hookup at the moment. Hey, y'all have a good one out there. I'll get out of the way. 73s? Hey, Smoky Pete, I'll catch you later, I'm sure. Out there. Old Doorknob down here in Music City, out here in these woods, I'm gone. Yeah, we keyed up. I want something, and other people want something. Go ahead. See, that time it was you, Smoking Pete. That time you took front and center, and I just stuck a cookie in my mouth. I better go before I choke, trying to chew it and talk. Hey, Smoking Pete, I appreciate the bump down, my friend. Have a good one out there.